Go play. Apple, and then go play. Bye. Okay, so you know that I've been gone for quite some time. I am not going to apologize because I don't quite feel sorry about it. I know this is just gonna be how it goes if I'm doing this and making videos, because that's just how life is, especially with little ones these days. And we got back from our vacation and I am pregnant. I'm about 17 weeks right now, so visible bump now. And the first trimester was pretty rough, which it was pretty similar to my pregnancy with my daughter. We are going to be doing another home birth, so that'll be exciting. It'll be this winter. And we're just kind of taking it day by day, week by week. And it's been good ever since I passed the 15 weeks mark. I can cook again and eat, and I'm not as tired. I'm not just laying around. So that feels better and I feel a little bit more productive. I also have been doing a lot of projects on the house once I kind of got my second wind back, and I'll be showing you those later. I redid both the bathrooms that I had shown before, and they look a lot better. And today I'm going to be making some potato leek soup, and it is about 100 degrees out today, so I don't think we'll be having this today, but I'm going to freeze some of it. And I'll take you along on what we do. We went to the park this morning, the kids and I, early just because of how hot it's going to be today, so they could get outside. And they're playing outside in the backyard right now with their pool. And yeah, I'll show you everything I get up to. You want me to come turn the hose off?
No, I already have that now.
Okay, well, take your clothes off and put them in the washing machine, and then grab your bath toys if you want.
Why?
Aren't you gonna put them in your pool?
No, I don't like that.
We originally moved my daughter into my son's room that they're going to eventually share. We have 2 twin beds in there, and she was just in the crib for the time being. Just recently, we have moved her crib out, and we're trying to transition her to the bed, so we'll see how that goes. And as far as my daughter's room goes, it's kind of being transformed into where the baby will sleep once it's a little older. And we're gonna put a changing table situation here with a bunch of the baby clothes I've been sorting out. We'll see how that goes. A few changes in the kitchen have occurred. I am now very dedicated, using tallow and butter more so. Originally I was doing butter and coconut oil. It is a little bit different taste, but it definitely, I prefer it now, and we use it for everything, frying, all sorts of stuff. We use butter for buttering bread or that kind of thing, but I prefer the taste of butter, but the tallow is actually really interesting just as like a coating mechanism. Anything that you would normally use, any shortening, any olive oil type thing to cook with, now I use that, and it's been a really big difference. And I just buy these tubs from Amazon that are organic grass-fed for like $30, a 4-pound tub. Also, I remember last time, one of my videos I made, I was talking about how I was trying to get off coffee. I actually went off coffee about a week before I found out I was pregnant, and that I haven't wanted it since. It was one of the aversions I had during early pregnancy. So I've stayed with that and it has been nice. Instead, I've been drinking iced tea, which still has caffeine, but intense Paw Patrol going on in the background. But I've been drinking iced tea, and like I make a gallon of sun iced tea with 2 or 3 bags of chai out in the sun during the day. And then I pour that over ice in the mornings the next day in my cup, and I like that instead of coffee. Like this bathroom, but I don't know. This is definitely a before shot. And the bathroom now is super different. I actually love it with the lights off because I kind of wanted a darker hunter green. I put that on all of the really odd paneling that we had. The new picture up here, that's one of my favorite paintings I did. But it looks great. Kind of goes with the whole room. We've got good vibes going on. It matches my open shelves. And then just kind of fun, something different. It looks nice. I put this little stool in here with the houndstooth. When you turn the lights on, it is very bright green, I feel like. So since we mostly use this room with the lights off, it's fine, but I do like that the green goes with the pink carpet for now, since we're not going to change that out yet. But it is brighter than I'd like it. Second bathroom, I actually painted this black, or like the darkest gray you could get to black, which I really like. And with the light towels, sorry for the glare. We did it all down the shelves. I didn't go internal with the shelves. I kept the old color in there. But I did get a cute little basket for the toilet paper and some new towels. And I did do the ceiling in the shower because it's a lower level. I feel like it's kind of cool. It kind of makes it like a cave and kind of tranquil. But I do like black in here, and you see we had the 2-panel in here too, but I did double in here, and you can kind of tell added a little decor. And then I did paint the inside of the medicine cabinet the same color as the wall, which I've been a big fan of so far. Haven't done this part, but I'm not sure if I want to add a painting here or just leave it as it is. Paint the heat register down here just because I redid the trim white